There is a great evil in this world. It bulges out of the mouths of those in power. It is entwined around the ties they fix upon their necks. It is rolling around in their pockets like gold coins. It coils around their wallets. They infect the air we breathe with every exhalation. A disease upon the earth. They wear many masks and put on many faces. Their souls as dead as death. They share their hatred for humanity among each other. They laugh from tables at the thoughts of fidelity, love, compassion. They trample down the wheat and eat the bread. They sit in comfort and ease while the children starve. For those begging in the streets, they greet with stones as large as boulders. For those scrambling to care for their families, they treat them with missiles of high explosive, traveling 5 times the speed of sound. Their thoughts are extended on the earth in fiery round, till the blood and gore of millions soaks into their bitterly won ground. So who would stop them in their trajectory to at once destroy and control without authority? Surely armies of millions and millions set upon the land, sea, air, and space would not be there except they plan to use them. Upon whom do they set their fiery blast? But those arrayed against them in their flowing best. But just in case, they say in secret conclave, they brew a witch's poison, lest the people they command to protect decide they want someone else to select. Then in powerful motion they turn one to have it all. Their weapons upon the people they claim to serve. One city they destroy in fear, another done because it is near. Among each animal to show what can be done, till they destroy them all one by one. For with the combined and meshed control, if they cannot control part, they will lose the whole. So destroying it is the best they can do, throwing aside people like an old shoe. Coming forward pretending to glory, the braggarts sing of their own past story. Filled with facts and reasons and laughs, they are blind to the cracks, cold seasons and gaps. 'Tis a sad and sorrowful reminder of grace to preserve the good. The evil we will need to erase.